Hello, Paul here from Beginner Guitar Academy, and in this video we are looking at Icky Thump by the White Stripes. Now it's a really cool riff because it has single notes as well as power chords. So it's going to work both those sides you're playing, single note playing as well as power chords. It's a little bit fiddly, so as a very beginner, this might be a little bit too tricky, but if you're more of an intermediate player, this will be a really fun one to play. Now don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos, and head over to beginnerguitaracademy.com/blog to download the tab for this video, as well as see all the others, as I've done 4 different White Stripe riffs. So now we've got that out of the way, let's go in for a close-up and I'll show you how to play this riff. So Icky Thump starts with a slide on the D string. So we use our third finger. We're just going to slide up to 7. Third finger comes back to fret 5, pulls off to fret 4. So it's 1 and 2E, 1 and 2E. Then we're going to go 5th fret on the A string twice, 4th fret on the A string, 5th fret on the E string. In the last beat, we have the open E, little G5, so we're playing 3rd fret on the E string with the 2nd finger, muting the A string underneath, and then open D and G strings. And then an E5, just one finger can hold down the 2nd fret on the A and the D, or you can use 2 separate fingers. So far. So that's the first bar. Second bar is very similar. We've got the slide again. Back to the pull off. 1, 5 on the A string, not 2, and instead we're going to slide on the G string up to fret 7, 6 on the G, 7 on the D. So that was. We finish same way. So first line, 3, 4, 1. Second line starts the same. We've got a little slide. Slide up again in the next bar. Goes as far as the 5th fret on the A again, but this time does power chords after. 3-finger power chords. So we're going to start with D5. So first finger goes 5th fret on the A string, 3rd finger 7th fret on the D, and pink underneath that for 7th fret on the G. We're going to slide up 2 frets to an E5, so fret 7, 9, and 9. Back to frets again for the D5, 7, slide off the open E5 that we did earlier. So it goes fret 5, 7, 5, 7, open E. Quite quick. Then when you're doing power chords, keep fingers rigid, keep them strong. Just slide the whole shape, try not to move them individually or place them individually. So last bar. Not speed. And now the whole of that line. And that's the whole riff. So now let's put the whole riff back together so you can hear it all. And let's give it a go. 2, 3, 4, 1. So a really cool riff, great one for power chords, great one for these little riffs, but it is a little bit fiddly, so break it down, slow it down, and yeah, build up nice and slow. But there we go, there's Icky Thump by the White Stripes.